Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check your Android screen time to see how much time you spend on your phone. So in here, if you want to know how much time you spend in a day on your Android phones, you can start by going to the settings of your Android phones, and in here just scroll down and then go to the apps options. And if you scroll down in the general section, there is the screen time option. So as you guys can see here, in a day I spend about 4 hours 54 minutes today. So if you want to see the detail, just click on the screen time in here, so you can see the activity details. You can see my this is how much I spend my screen time in a week from Sunday until today. So you can see if you want to see the details, you can see, you can just scroll down how much time I spend on each apps. Like this, you can see it will show you the detail, how many minutes you spend in an app. You can also set limit for your apps if you want to. For example, just click on this icon, and here you can set up limit. For example, I'm going to limit my Instagram at midnight. For example, I'm going to go with 30 minutes. You can just click on OK, and it will be set. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.